All right, today I have a Ford F-150 and I'm going to show you how to do automatic start with the Ford F-150. Before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. All right, so let's get started. As you can see, I have the key fob in front of me right here. My vehicle is currently turned off. The Ford F-150 is currently turned off. And I'm sitting in the vehicle. Now, normally you wouldn't be doing this while sitting in the vehicle. You'd probably be, say for instance, somewhere else, outside in your bedroom. You may be there anywhere. Now, I suggest your vehicle being outside and not in garage when you're doing this because you can cause a backup of carbon monoxide poisoning within your vehicle. So make sure your vehicle's outside when you do this and not in your garage. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So with this, I have the key fob. And what I'm going to do is, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have to press this lock button. I'm going to come in closer so you can see this. There's a series of buttons on this right here. There is a unlock, a lock, two times, and a siren thing right here. Now, what you're going to do is, this 2 times right here is the automatic start right here. And in order to do that, you can't just simply come up here and press this and it start. No, that's not going to work. All right, it's not going to work if you just press this 2 times or hold it down. Your vehicle is not going to start. How this works is you first have to, okay, doors are shut. You have to press the lock button first. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the lock button and then I'm going to press this twice. And you see that? It is starting. The engine is starting. All right, now with this being on, you can have your heat come on, your vehicle can be heating up, warming up while it is, starting. You cannot drive off until you start the engine. So after you've done that, you're gonna get in the car, say for instance, you're outside your vehicle, get in the car, get in, and the heater's on and it is nice and toasty on here. But in order to drive away, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to actually come over here and start the car like you normally do. As you can see, I am in the vehicle and it is in park. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start it up like I normally do, press the brake, and then come to the engine start stop button right here. And I'm going to press this. And the engine starts and I'm able to actually go ahead and use my vehicle. I'm able to drive off and have a good on time. And that's how you use the automatic start on a Ford F-150. Do you see how that went? I hope this vehicle was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.